For those of you that don't know me, my name's Jackson Wire and I'm the founding director of SnapSolar. I've taken some time today to let you guys in on some work that we've been doing behind the scenes here at SnapSolar, where we've aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. Now this is a foundation that's a little bit personal to me, and it's a foundation that over the last few years I've really wanted to get active and get involved with. But we wanted to go one step further. We know that our reefs are in trouble, and we know that our reefs need all the support that they can get. For people to stand up and take notice of change, whether you agree that it's climate change, whether you're skeptical of climate change, we got a choice here where we can be proactive to a situation, where we can invest our time, we can invest in solutions, and we can invest in things that we love. So we aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation for a few reasons. Myself and my family are avid watermen. We spend 90% of our weekends in the water. I'm by no means a professional surfer, but I love my surfing, I love my kite surfing, I love my fishing, diving, spearfishing, and ultimately we love the Whitsunday region, the Mackay region, and the oceans as a whole. So what we've done here at SnapSolar is we've aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, and we're starting as of this month, every solar system that we sell will be planting a piece of coral. For me, it's a legacy that I'll be proud to uphold and to pass on to my kids, to show that we actually stood up and we took an initiative and we made and created real change, where we have helped plant X amount, with your help, of coral reef right in our own backyard. Guys, preservation and sustainability is the core root of our business. And with your help, guys, you can help us plant and restore the reef one plantation at a time. By investing in SnapSolar, you're investing into a company that's taking real action to protect and preserve our own backyard, for the simple reason that we care.